Hi guys, what's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys'Lady and I'd like to welcome you especially to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm on this property. This property is over 35 years old, getting close to 40 years. The whites, the Oyibos were staying here before. I guess they were oil workers. So right now, they're no longer here. This estate is massive, as you can see. It's very, very massive. You can see. Let me show you around. Let me show you around. Let me show you around how this place has deteriorated so much.
The big trees are still blooming.
Right now we're going to the swimming pool side. This pool is very, very massive. The swimming pool is very, very massive, and everything has been left for decay. As you can see, this is their clubhouse as well. Their bar, there is bar here where they hang out, have a good time. This place is already gone. I don't know if this place is going to come back, but right now this is how it looks. This is the washroom, dressing room for swimming pool. Everything is already gone. You can see they're even packing dustbin inside here. I don't know, Sha. Right now the property is not for sale. Sometimes I heard it's for sale, but I'm not sure they want to sell this place. This is their bar. They have games place too. They play games here. There's table tennis where people come and play game. You can see the table tennis. That's where I'm heading to right now. The place is huge and massive, and it's already gone. I don't know if they're going to bring this place back. It's going to take money. You can see the table tennis game. This is where they relax and play their games. Inside there is a bar. The place is locked. That's why I was not able to go inside. I would have shown you guys what their bar looks like. This is table tennis. So from there you now enter inside the bar. Nothing is functioning here. Nothing is working here. Everywhere is dead. I don't know if they have plans for anything around here. I don't know. I don't know. Rain, 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 and rain. And also let me show myself a bit. As you can see, I'm just moving around, Sha. The place is would have been a nice place, Sha. Would have been a nice, beautiful place to hang out. Right here is how the sitting room looks like. This is a parlor. See the ceiling, everything. The ceiling is gone already. As you can see, this is how the parlor looks like. The sitting room looks like. People are still hanging here, Sha. People are still hanging here. This is an old fridge. Nobody is using it, and I know it's not functioning again. This is how the place looks like now. Mike is taking me around. As you can see, this is a garage. Yes. See. That's just it. Well, I hear the transformer there.
only child.